Hi everyone, and welcome to my Clap to Take a Picture app called Clappy Bird. As you can see, the UI is pretty simple. I am talking right now in the middle of the screen, and there is a conveniently located listen button right there. But before I do that, I'm going to introduce my good friend Angry Bird, who is going to stand in as the thing in front of the screen. So let's listen. As you can see, there are a bunch of things that won't set off this detector, most notably music. Good music. And quite obviously, me talking right now isn't doing anything. But if I decide to clap twice, which I will do right now, then a timer will show up, at which point my picture has been taken. So you can share this beautiful picture of Angry Bird with anyone you want. I guess I'm going to do messaging. As you can see, there's only 3 options because I'm on the Genymotion emulator, but if this was on a phone or a tablet, you'd probably have a little bit more. So if I don't want it, I guess remove it and go back. And there's me again. So thanks for watching. Hope you had fun.